Hi, everyone. Just brainstorming about longevity. Let's take it to the future. These longevity biohackers. I am 90 years old. I just took a biological age test. And guess what? I'm 30 years younger biologically. All my biomarkers tell me I am in perfect health. I am at 60 years old biologically. True diagnostics test. I just paid $400 for it. That test is the real deal. It doesn't lie to me. 90 years old. Meanwhile, the same you are sitting on a chair and you can barely walk. You can barely walk. And if you do walk, you're walking like a turtle. You might be able to do, maybe you do one pull-up, maybe 5 push-ups, maybe, right? You'll be frail because all your motor units are bye-bye. But the true diagnostics age test, I forgot to tell you that part. It's telling you you're 60 years old, but yet you're sitting on a bed, you're laying on a bed, and now you wake up and you're all frail. Duh. And where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going with those biomarkers? Yeah. Where do you think you're going? The motor units in your diaphragm, I made a video on it. You can't breathe as good. What is your biomarkers going to do for you? Honestly, what is your cholesterol level or your sugar level? What's it going to do for your breathing muscles? Is it going to help them? No. And remember, once motor units are gone, they're gone forever. They cannot be replaced or replicated. They're not like your cells where they divide and new ones appear. Once motor units die, it's bye-bye. So here it is. All you biohackers, for example, Mr. Dave Asprey, I am going to live to 180. I do this, I take this, and I take that. I don't eat oatmeal because oatmeal is for poor people, etc., etc. Well, sir, what are you going to do when you're 120 years old and you have no motor units left in your stomach, in the diaphragm? How are you going to breathe? What shot are you going to take that's going to make you breathe? Think about that. Not just you, Mr. Asprey, all these biohackers. You're delusional. Cold showers, rapamycin, I don't care what you take. Whatever, all that stuff, autophagy, etc., etc. What are you going to do when your body runs out of motor units? And they will, because you're in denial. You're slowing down as you age. Stop being in denial. You look at yourself in the mirror. You can't run like you used to. You can't even walk as fast as you used to. You're not as strong and as quick as you used to. Ask yourself, why is that? And what do you think is going to happen every year? It's going to keep getting worse. And why do you think this happens? Because you're losing the motor units. And eventually, if you live long enough, by 100, 110, 100, you run out of motor units. You run out of motor units. You can't breathe. You can't do nothing. You can barely move. So all these 115-year-olds, they praise them. God bless them. But look at them. I'm being honest with you. They don't make it past 120. One supposedly made it past 122. One. You run out of motor units. Okay, this is my point. There's nothing. Mitochondria, telomeres, blah, 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 gene therapy, all that stuff. You could do all that. You could fix all this. Stem cells, you could fix all this. It will not bring back motor units, ladies and gentlemen. Once they're gone for good. I don't want to keep blabbing on. All I'm saying to you is by 2050, there will be 2.2 billion people over the age of 60, and probably none of them will even know what the heck motor units are. Fast motor units. They'll just keep paging like the ordinary people. They'll be in pain. This diminishes the exercise capacity even further, which in turn makes you lose more motor units, and the chain reaction begins. The off the cliff will always be there at the age of 75. Remember that. I don't care what medication they find. I don't care what gene therapy they find. Why? Because motor units cannot be stopped. They can be slowed with powerful exercises, plyometrics, reflex work, box jumps, sprints. You don't have to be as fast as a pro. Just do what you can. Look, I'm not going to keep going on. I wish you, ladies and gentlemen, the best. I am going to prove this with scientists. First of all, they can't disprove what I say. No one can. What I am talking about is not a theory. The hallmarks of aging are theories. The 12 hallmarks, they are theories, not facts. What I'm telling you is factual. And you are experiencing it because you're getting slower. Loss of motor units are a fact. That's why you lose power and speed. Anyway, what I'm talking about is a fact. Everything else everyone is talking about is theory. None of them match the loss of motor units. My next video, I am going to break it down for you thoroughly, and I'm going to prove it to you step by step. I'm going to match it to all the hallmarks of aging, and I am going to prove to you that the loss of motor units is the primary cause of aging. I'm going to break it down for you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for sticking with me so far. See you very, very soon. Maybe tomorrow or the next day, I'll be posting the video, the hallmark of aging versus motor unit loss. Stay tuned. See you soon.